Imagine you're a project manager, juggling multiple tasks, deadlines, and teams. How do you ensure everyone is on track and working efficiently? Time tracking is the key. Does Wrike have time tracking? Let's dive in and find out. Wrike is a popular project management tool known for its versatility and features. But does it offer the time tracking capabilities that are essential for efficient project management? Time tracking in Wrike. Yes, Wrike does have time tracking features. Here's a breakdown of how it works. Manual time tracking. Manually record time spent on tasks by entering start and end times. Use the built-in timer to track time in real time. Assign time entries to specific tasks or projects. Automatic time tracking. Integrate Wrike with time tracking apps like Toggle or Harvest. Automatically sync time entries from these apps to Wrike. Streamline the time tracking process and reduce manual input. Time tracking reports. Generate detailed reports on time spent on tasks, projects, and team members. Analyze time usage to identify bottlenecks and optimize workflows. Track project progress and ensure deadlines are met. Benefits of time tracking in Wrike. Improved productivity. Accurately measure time spent on tasks and identify time-consuming activities. Optimize workflows and allocate resources more effectively. Encourage accountability and productivity among team members. Enhanced project management. Track project progress in real time and identify potential risks. Make data-driven decisions and adjust project plans as needed. Ensure projects are completed on time and within budget. Better resource allocation. Understand resource utilization and identify areas where additional resources may be required. Allocate resources efficiently to maximize productivity. Prevent resource bottlenecks and delays. Additional considerations. Time tracking accuracy. Ensure accurate time tracking by training team members on the proper use of the tools. Implement policies and procedures to maintain data integrity. Consider using time tracking apps with advanced features like automatic time tracking and idle time detection. Integration with other tools. Explore integration options with other tools like accounting software or HR systems. Streamline workflows and reduce manual data entry. Ensure seamless data flow between different systems. Wrike does have time tracking features that can help you improve productivity, enhance project management, and better allocate resources. Whether you prefer manual or automatic time tracking, Wrike offers the flexibility to meet your needs. By utilizing time tracking in Wrike, you can gain valuable insights into your team's performance, identify areas for improvement, and ultimately achieve your project goals. If you're looking for a project management tool with robust time tracking capabilities, Wrike is definitely worth considering. Visit their website to learn more and start your free trial. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.